Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you that followed us during the JAMB 2025 exam preparation stage. As we know, the JAMB exam has been concluded and the result has been released. So I'm going to be interviewing some of our students that did exceptionally well in the just concluded exam. So what does that tell you? It tells you that Derock Tutors is the best you can find, and Derock Schools is the best school in Ado-Ekiti. I have here with me
Alabia Ibeton, Senior Prefect Girl of Derock International Model College.
Babalola Richu, the punctualist prefect boy of Derock International Model College.
Anthony Roland from Derock Tutors.
So what did you score?
I had 309.
I had 338.
Scored 350.
309, 338, and 350. You guys did amazing. So how did you feel when you checked your results?
I was very delighted. I was very happy. Then I had a mixed feeling. I was happy, and at the other end, I was not really happy because of my biology. I expected more.
I was happy about it, but I also had a goal, but I didn't meet that goal. But I was still happy about it.
So what was that goal?
It was 380.
380. You had goal of 380, but you scored 338.
Yes.
You did amazing. I'm sure you did amazing.
I was filled with joy when I checked my result because my parents and I never expected less than 350. They all expected 350 from me.
Okay, I want to ask about how you prepared for your exam. How was your reading pattern like? Were you reading at night? Were you reading at morning? Or you were just reading anytime you felt like reading? And when exactly did you start preparing for your exam?
Okay, I started preparing for my exam early January, January. Then for my reading pattern, I read in the night and during the day. But I focus mainly on in the night. But during the day, anytime I'm free, anytime I'm having any free time, I read during the day.
I started preparation for my JAMB last year, December. That was when I installed the test lab started. And my reading pattern is I prefer night reading because that's when I get it more. But anytime I just have any free time, I just read during the day.
I started my preparation last year, October, but I was not really into reading all the time because I was also busy with learning this skill last year. So about this year, January, I decided to drop it. And during my reading process, I read early in the morning. Then if I go to lesson, at least I'll read for like about an hour or two. So if I get to lesson, I can get back home, I can read a little before I sleep. So most times I do it at night, like in the midnight when everywhere is silent and no distractions and nothing. So I do it for like at times maybe 3 to 4 hours in the midnight, then repeat it every day.
So Roland, I have a question for you. This is not your first JAMB, right?
Yes.
So what did you score in your first JAMB?
I got 254 in my first JAMB.
So you got 254 in your first JAMB and now you got 350. So what did you do different this time?
It was during my preparation of first JAMB. I was kind of a little bit careful due to my environment, and I was in boarding school, so I read, but not really. I didn't really prepare well too. So after when I saw my results, because I was expecting something higher and 300 and something, because most of my close friends got 300 and above. So when I knew that I would be writing this JAMB again, that it can't give me the course I want, so I decided to study harder, remove myself from social media. Then I had to stop playing, and I read a lot and prayed a lot too, because I didn't want to fail my parents for the second time.
So from 254 to 350, you did amazing. So I want to ask, what role did Derock Schools and Derock Tutors play in achieving this score? And I want you to tell me what the learning environment was like, and I also want you to tell me what the teachers were like.
Okay, the environment was very conducive. Like, let me start with the environment. It was very conducive and it was a very good environment for learning. Then for the teachers are very skillful. Like, they have experience, they've had experience of JAMB over the years, and they don't focus only on our syllabus, they go out of the syllabus. So the teachers were very, very good. Then for Derock School and Derock Tutors also helped in the marathon class. It was very, very helpful.
The environment provided for learning at the Rock is very nice and very helpful, especially when in a state like Ikiti. So, and the teachers are very helpful and very impactful. They are qualified and experienced and have experience over the years on JAMB. And the JAMB marathon class was also helpful for preparing for the exam.
The work environment was actually very good. It was filled with brilliant students, which actually motivated me. I had friends who actually motivated me to read more each day. At times we'll come together, we will explain to ourselves what we've read and this and that. So the environment was actually very helpful with the teachers too. The teachers were well qualified. They knew the aspects we need to cover in order to score high in the JAM examination. And the environment was a place that you could read if you were bored, like during your leisure time, maybe during break, you can just go somewhere and read. So it was actually a good experience and environment.